Guys, we are cooking tonight on my New Wave induction burner. We're going to be making chicken fried rice. So I'm going to set it on high, 425. Hit the start button, let the skillet heat up, and we will start our chicken. I'm going to add in some olive oil, soy sauce, chicken breast going in, going to cook those until they're done, and we will be back. Alright, we're going to give these a flip. I am really loving this new wok that I got. It's an Unported brand, cast iron. It has been a great addition to my kitchen. I'm going to try to do an unboxing video once a month so I can flip it past my girls. They're beginning to tell me I'm getting too many things going on in my kitchen. I'm running out of room. So we'll see. I can just order it first and then tell them when it gets here, I guess. I have some good girls. They're the best. I love my babies. I love my boys too, my grandbaby, and I got a grandbaby on the way. Love my hubby. Love my family. And I can't leave out my friends that have supported me in doing this. I love all my friends. I love my subbies. You guys are great. If you're not subscribed, hit that button. Subscribe, hit the bell, so you'll get all your notifications. Hit the like button. Leave a comment. Whatever you want to do. So, throw some butter in here. Scramble up this egg. Out goes the egg. And the cool thing about this thing is once you remove your skillet off of it, it automatically shuts off. So that's kind of a neat little feature. I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons of butter. Throw in about a good tablespoon of garlic. I don't know. Start a cup of onion. Give that a stir around. Then I'm going to come back Dump in my rice. You want to pre-cook your rice. Let it cool off somewhat. You can come and add some water here and there if you want. Kind of rehydrate it. I'm going to add some soy sauce. About a good tablespoon and a half of sesame oil. Then I'm going to come and I'm going to add a good couple of tablespoons of some teriyaki. Now I'm going to come in with the chicken. And hit it with about another tablespoon of teriyaki. And I am about to call the family to dinner here shortly. I sincerely hope you have enjoyed this video. I've enjoyed making it. It's been a lot of fun. I hope you subscribe. Check out the other videos on my channel. We will catch you next time. Oh yeah, if you ever get the chance, add yourself an induction burner to your kitchen collection. You will not be sorry. See you later.